Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disable YouTube Shorts on iPhone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open YouTube. Once you open YouTube, you simply need to scroll and here you can see your shorts. You simply need to click on three dots and click on not interested. So you simply need to repeat that process again and again. And here you can see that all shorts are removed. Now you simply need to refresh, and now you can see that once you refresh you can see that YouTube shorts are now removed from my YouTube application. So this is the process by which you can disable YouTube shorts on iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.